Hello everybody, another air fryer recipe today. Simple, delicious. Who fancies a jerk chicken wrap? Oh yes, I think quite a lot of people like a jerk chicken, don't they? So let's do a jerk chicken wrap in the air fryer. Delicious. And yes, I'm going to cheat as well. We're going to be doing a very lazy jerk paste. That was £2 at Tesco. I think it was £1.50 with your club card or £1.70 with your club card, which I haven't got. So it cost me £2. And I've got two. Because I'm going to do one with just the paste, which will probably be for Nat and the lad. And I'm going to be brave and have this. I've never had this before. Very lazy, zingy, chili boost, hot. I'm going to have that with my paste in mind. That's what I'm going to do. And that was quite expensive. £3. I suppose you only have a tablespoon of it or something like that, don't you? That's what we're going to have. And I've also got, in case it's really spicy, I'm going to put some mango chutney on mine. Nice and simple. I've got two onions, two medium onions, just sliced up thin. It's all going to be done on the air fryer. Red pepper, green pepper, and I've got two lots of chicken thighs. It's one. I got one. I think it was about £3. I got like 10 pieces in there. I think it's 500 gram, I think, or 600 grams, something like that. And I'll just split it in two. That's all I'm going to do. It's going to be nice and simple anyway. No messing around today. I'm going to get a bit of salt on each one first. And then we're going to get the chickens in the bags. And I'm going to leave it to marinate for like an hour or so. We don't need none of them yet. Oh, and for the wraps, I've got these. These are nice, these are. The corn and wheat ones. They're delicious. That was £2 as well. But they are very nice, them. So what we're going to do then, I'm going to bag. We'll get one lot of chicken. Look, I could have mixed it in the bowl, but I'm going to put it in the bag. So get it, I ain't got to just use my hands. Just use my hands and I'll just keep washing them. Get them in, get the chicken in there, hope you can see. That's to one side a minute, and I'll do the other one while my hands are all dirty. Nice and simple, guys, nice and simple. And we do like a jerk, don't we? And all going to be done in the air fryer, so as I say, nice and simple. Just wash my hands first. Right, this one's going to be the very lazy one. Just lazy on its own. I don't know if you've had it before. I've had it before and it is quite nice. I don't know if you can see that in there. Can I peel this? These are a nightmare, ain't they, to peel these sometimes. There we go. I don't know if you don't think you'll be able to read it. You might be able to. I'll look if you can see it. That's it anyway. We'll get that one on. Needs a little bit of oil. Not prepared, look, not prepared. Just put a little drop of oil in there. Not too much. We'll get all the paste in this one. Oh, it smells lovely. So I've had it before, and it is nice. I think I've done a rest. I think I've used this before on my channel. I haven't done a wrap, I don't think, no. Could have put the oil in there, couldn't I? Got a bit of extra flavouring out of there. Emptied the jar. I'm going to get a little shake or something. Just a drop. Yeah. Then get some extra out of it. Get as much as we can, eh? There's that one. And we'll give that one a mix together. There's one. And we'll do exactly the same with this one. Put a bit of oil in there first. Nice and simple. We'll get this in. Yeah, I thought I was going to buy some Scotch bonnets to put in one of these. But then I've seen that and I thought, well, I'll try that instead. That's what I was going to do. Put a little bit of oil in there. We'll give that a mix. Get the bits in. Not a lot left, but them extra bits all help, don't they? They all help. Now I'm not sure how much of this to put in. Let's open it and have a look. I reckon a teaspoon or maybe a tablespoon. I want to try it spicy, you see. Let's have a look. There it is, look. I reckon that'll be plenty, won't it? Don't want to go over the top, do I? I'm a bit of a wimp with all chilies nowadays, for some reason. And we'll do the same with this one. There we go, and I'm going to leave them to marinate now until I'm ready to cook. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and a half. I'm just preheating my air fryer. As you can see, it's only got like 7 seconds left now. So, we're going to get them in and we're going to cook them. Delicious, eh? So I'll put some oil in that one first, just to stop them stinking. And I'm going to put the one without the chilli in, the one in the left, like so. All the goodness in there. We'll give them spread them out a little bit. They ain't going to take long, these. I have put it on for, I think it's 20 minutes. I put it on altogether, or 25, because I want to do me onions and me peppers after the chicken's done. That's what I want to do. And this is the one with the chilli. Smell delicious, these lazy things do. They are nice. Get in. Get it all in there. Easy. Get in. There's that one. Get a separate bit of tongs. We'll spread them out. And there's the chilli ones. We'll get them both in together then. Okay, while that chicken's cooking away, I'm just going to spray some oil on me onions and me peppers. They can just sit there ready then. We're not actually cooking these, you're just getting them a little bit softer, that's all. And a bit of salt. There we go. Okay guys, they are done. Looking absolutely delicious. So we're going to get Nat's ones in there with the juices on. Them juices on. Lovely. And we're going to have the spicy ones in there. Get them juices on there. Now we're going to get the onions in. We'll leave them, I'll wrap them up actually. Look at that one. Spice on that. Like so. I'm going to take the insides out on both of them, like so. There's some gorgeous bits in there. I'm going to put the onions in that one there. They can go in that one. I say they're not actually being cooked. They're just being softened a little bit, that's all. And then we've got the spicy one in there. Get that in. For me, give it a stir. It's already had oil on it. And we'll give that a couple of minutes. Oh, you can't see. There we go. And I'm going to do my tortillas. I'm just going to do them in the microwave. They only take like 35 seconds or something, don't they? There they are. We've all had them before, haven't we? Yeah, 35 seconds and pull apart. That's all I'm going to do. Nice and simple. Okay, we are all done. Can't wait to try these now. Nat does just want onions. I thought she would. So there's the tortillas. Like so. And there's hers, a normal one. Lazy. So we'll get some jerk on there. She doesn't want any mango, so she might put her own sauces on. We'll see. Smells delicious. It is good stuff though. This good old lazy stuff. There's the onions. Look nice, don't they? Bit of that flavour on there and all. Could have put some salad on it, but I'm not having any salad because I don't want any salad. Just want some jerk. There's Natalie's. And then we'll get on to mine, which will have a bit more colour on it. Okay, get myself a couple of tortillas. I'm going to get, where is it? The spicy chicken. Oh, look at that one. Oh. Did I put too much spice in or didn't I? That's the question, ain't it? We'll find out, won't we? We will find out. There we go. Let's get another little one in there. Eh? Why not? And there. Get another little one in. There we go. We'll have a few onions on mine. Why not? So you can have tomatoes or whatever you want, can't you? But I thought I'd just have it like this, nice and simple. And there's my peppers. Look nice, don't they? Covered in all that hot sauce. I got enough to have another couple as well. Bonus. Absolute bonus. Get that on there. And I want some of this mango. £1.35 from Aldi. Tesco. I've never had it. Shaw's mango chutney. Jazz up your stir fries. And we'll get a tablespoon of that on, teaspoon of that on. Oh, looks quite chunky, that does look. A little bit more there. There we go then. Lovely. Right, let's get up the table. There we go. Nice and simple. Jerk. Very lazy. A spicy one, and that's got a normal one. Is yours spicy, Bab?
No.
No, it's not spicy. No, yours is just a normal. I didn't put you any chillies in yours.
Thank you.
I've got some chilli thing. And she's also nicked another cider. Thank you, Bab. Yeah. Fair play to you. Here, let me give you a closer look. She's feeling a little bit better today, ain't you, sweetheart? What's that?
No service.
What's
What came up earlier?
The phone's playing up now. Let me show you, guys. There it is, look. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. There's Nat. She's had mayo on hers.
It's a little bit spicy, actually.
A little bit spicy. A little bit spicy, Bab. Give your opinion.
It's not.
Look. Beer. I shared mine yesterday with her, but she hasn't shared mine. Yeah, phone's playing up. No signal. Right, let me tuck in. I'm going to make a right mess, ain't I? I'm going to make an absolute mess here.
Have you got different to me?
What? I've had peppers. You didn't want peppers, did you?
No, I meant if we both got the same chicken.
We got both. Yeah, both got jerk chicken, but I'll put chilies in this one and not in that one.
Do
you get me?
Yeah. Sorry.
And I've got mango on it. And I put a bit of mango in there for a little dip case. Nat wants to try it.
I'll try some. The Sharwoods.
It's Shaw's, I think, or something.
Yeah, it's quite nice. I've never been one for mango dips. Oh, yeah, I got dips, but this is nice, this one.
That mango's nice.
The flavour's there. I might try some of this, actually. Tiny bit.
Oh, it's got a kick, alright. Well, I've got a kick in the back of my throat. That's bad.
Actually, that goes quite nice together.
It goes nice. That. Oh, that's got a kick.
Mine's got a little bit of a kick.
Oh.
Not much.
Oh. Well, that's got a kick, that is, sweetheart. Don't you try some of that kick?
No, thank you.
I thought it was just normal at first, but it's just gone now. It's just always catching my throat. Ooh,
Oh, the signal's gone up now. Good.
Yeah, just make your phone just do one, yeah. You see, it's terrible around here for supposing all.
Really bad.
It's terrible.
For 2 days now, I've had nothing
Yeah,
but problems.
it's terrible.
haven't
Yeah, anyway, guys, lazy jerk chicken with that chili thing. Ugh. And some peppers, all done in there. I was going to do them in the air fryer. I was going to fill them up and put them in and then crunch them up. But then I thought, no, let's have soft instead of a bit crunchy, like, you know. And I think I've done a good idea there, isn't it?
I'm really enjoying this.
Oops. Someone is really enjoying it.
I know for one.
Ain't ya? Really nice. And it took, the chicken took 20 minutes. And peppers took 5, and the onions.
Would you like some to take that spice away?
Now I'm going to crack on. I'm going to be
Don't want
brave.
it
No, I'm going to be brave.
You're going to be brave. Right, you spicy.
It's not handle spicy, if you get me. But it's got a kick.
Oh.
That's nice, isn't it? That I really like that.
I could eat loads of these.
Really nice.
You're going to move my stomach's hurting.
I'm going live tomorrow. I'm sweating. I'm going live tomorrow, guys. I'm doing my first ever Filipino recipe. Fingers crossed, Sapper. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. I might have to go a bit earlier because the stuff's got to marinate for like an hour or so. It's better if you marinate it longer, but on the live I ain't going to be able to early. Oh, that's got a kick back, that has. That's got a really bad kick. So yeah, air fryer, very lazy jerk, delicious. I bought 2 jars because I wanted to try that spicy stuff. You don't have to. Give it a go. See what you think. So I am the old food guy. I'm going to give that. Oh, that's hot, man. That's hot. What are you giving that, Bab? Spicy that is, man. It's kicking, it's burning me. I'm glad they only put a teaspoon in. I think it was a teaspoon I put in, wasn't it? Oh, I'm going to get out of 10. I think that's delicious. Don't you? For what it is. For like a shop bought lazy jar.
It's so nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Anyway. Not enough one. Plenty more.
I'll have one in a bit, thank you.
Anyway, yeah, I'm going live tomorrow, guys. Just keep an eye out. Probably about 12:30 I'll have to go, I suppose, or something. Till then, see you later. Try it. It's delicious. Bye-bye. And that mango, 1.35. I'd recommend that if you like mango. Bye-bye. What do you think of that mango? That's
I
hot.
quite like the mango,
Yes.
it's quite nice.
It goes nice together, doesn't it, all of it?
I take it back actually, it does go quite
Goes
nice.
all together nice. There you go. Bye-bye.